Well, we're saying bye-bye to our Observatory Hotel. We're in the Garden of Rocks. Now these must be glued, some of these here, because yeah, the wind's going to knock them down here. But it's still kind of neat. You're going back down to the train, and you can stack some up yourself. But the train is down there. This is early morning, and it's June the 15th at about 8:55 in the morning. And the rest of our group going down there. There's the Matterhorn out there, still up there, hasn't disappeared or anything. So we'll make our turn and we'll come around here, and that's the train station down there where we're going to catch our train. And here's our train coming up, our cog railway train. And it's coming up into the station. We're going to leave in a few minutes then. So there it is. Okay, train's leaving right on time. Leaving the station here up at the top. Say farewell to the station. We're going down, get a little more oxygen now here. The kid's going to be feeling a little bit better, I think, here. Once we get down to lower altitudes. And we get some reflection on the window here, of course, but it's early morning, like I said, a few minutes after 9 o'clock. And people saw some ibex earlier up close right by the train station. I missed it. So there's the track going down there. And like all twisty turnies, all kind of twisty turnies. And there, as you can see, the cogs, what it looks like. Yep. We're switching over to the other side there. All right. Well, we're about 7,200 feet now. We started out at just over 10,000, and we have reflection on the glass, but still coming down, trying to not get so much reflection here, but anyhow, see more trees down here now, a lot more oxygen too. By a little, didn't get my camera out in time going over that bridge. It's stuck in my pocket. Oh well. So this is where we're going. We're in Zermatt, and we're going over here to Visp. Sorry, the train just started up here, but that's where we're going now. Route Zermatt to Visp.
Very important in the past for the mule traders, transporting mostly Swiss cheese to Piedmont in Italy. And in exchange, the Piedmont people was used to bring. We had another short but spectacular and very particular drive up to the Observatory Pass. If someone is feeling unwell, please let us know.
Here's the road that we're going down on, so we go down here and somewhat over by that dam, I think. So there was a good view, but I think it just missed it. But there's part of it down at the bottom down there. You can just see it. It's a windy road. There's some more parts of it over there. And we're going down on the bus here. So there it is. And zigzag our way down here. Okay, we're going to come down on the other side. Big S turn here. Big hairpin turn here coming up. Here we go. All the cyclists, all the Bloods, the Crips are out today. So there you go. There's part of the road back over there, and we're still going to be going down on here, making all our U-E's. There's another big U-E coming up here, another hairpin turn. Coming around the turn. Looks like they're building another dam over there. Coming down on this side here. Here we go. Okay. And methinks this is Grimsel Pass because we zigzagged our way up on the other side Now we're zigging and zagging our way down on this side. This side's not as bad as the other side. The other side was an engineering miracle, how they built that to go back and forth. And from now on, I don't think we got too many S-turns or hairpin turns coming up. We're just like zigzagging down. And it looks like they're building a new dam or something there. I don't know. Looks like it. Maybe that valley will be flooded someday. Who knows here. Okay, there's the rest of our road over here. Yeah, well, I don't think we're going on that lower one. We're just going to go around the side of the mountain.